Let's listen and mark. You will now hear another conversation between Charu and her doctor. Listen to it carefully and put a tick against the sentences you hear in the conversation. Good evening, doctor.
Good evening, Charu. How are you?
Doctor, I feel I have fever. Could you check my temperature, please?
Sure, Charu. Wait a minute. Yes. You have a slight temperature. It is a viral infection.
Doctor, I'm afraid of injections. Could you please give me tablets or a syrup?
Why, yes. Of course, Charu. You can take these tablets twice a day.
Thank you so much. Could you also suggest what I should eat or avoid?
Yes. You should eat light food and avoid cold water and ice creams. It's bad for your throat.
Okay, doctor. I will follow your advice. Thank you.